Who doesn't want to look and feel their most youngest and beautiful self?
Right? I think most would.
Yeah.
But we also know that a lot of you are looking for the most simple and affordable ways to achieve those results. Well, this morning, one of those options is the European facelift at Advanced Eye Care and Laser Center. Let me take you to their office now so you can learn more. From Advanced Eye Care and Aesthetic Center, I am so happy to be joined by Dr. Alina Sanchu. She is a board-certified eye physician and surgeon. She's also a facial rejuvenation specialist and injectable treatment expert, and she is also a member of the American Academy of Cosmetic Surgery. Good morning.
Morning.
So excited to be here this morning. Excited to talk about this European facelift. Tell people what this is about.
The European facelift, it's a minimally invasive alternative to traditional face surgery in order to accomplish two important things: a rejuvenated, natural looking you, where your facial imperfections are addressed and the signs of aging are addressed at the same time. I think that's very important. The other important factor when I developed this procedure was the need of the modern patient. The modern patient wants immediate results. They want to have no pain, they want to have no bruising, they want to have no downtime, and they are very aware of the cost of a procedure. And from all these points of view, there is an advantage of approaching a facial rejuvenation technique with a minimally invasive way than to go through traditional surgery.
Yeah, so who is the ideal patient for this?
Everything has limitations. I wouldn't say this is good for everybody and every age, but for 80% of the patients that come to me for an original consultation, they could benefit from this procedure. Different ages, we have different needs for looking younger and rejuvenated, and this procedure customizes those needs.
And we talk about the procedure, and it is, some of it is injectables, like you mentioned, and then there is some eyelid surgery, minimally invasive surgery,
The procedure
right?
is done in the office, is performed in the office. It takes up to an hour. It involves the use of, as I said, injections and sometimes lid surgery. That doesn't have to always be the case.
What I like about this too is it's affordable. You talk about the need of the modern patient. People are wanting quick results, but they also want it affordable.
The cost factor is very important, and I think this is a wonderful alternative to the traditional surgery from that point of view.
And then how long do the results last?
The results should last forever if the patient is a well-educated patient, as long as they understand the basic principle that a neuromodulator lasts 4 months and the volumizing dermal filler lasts from 5 months to 2 years, and they understand the need for touch-ups, then they will maintain that look forever.
Well, and let's talk about the touch-ups and the maintenance, because you do have some recommendations that you like your patients to follow too, to help with maintaining that youthful glow that we all want. What is that? Diet and...
I always tell my patient that one line on the face is not going to make you better, younger. I think the holistic approach is always an approach that I believe in, and I educate my patients. And I also believe in stressing to them the need of a healthy lifestyle and other lotions and potions that maintain a healthy looking face.
And speaking of, you've been creating one that's really cool. It's this Bella PL Face and Eye Rejuvenating Cream. Why is this one so special, and why do you like this one so much?
It nourishes the skin, it maintains the elasticity of the skin. It's also organic. It contains natural oils, essential oils, antioxidants, and hyaluronic acid in it. That combination is very soothing to the skin, and it's very good for treating not only dry eyes and the skin around the eyes, which is the most sensitive part of the skin. The neck and the eye are the two parts that show the signs of aging first, and that's how I developed this cream. It's very good for around the eyes, for the eyelids, and it's also very good for the rest of the face.
Yeah. What I love about you is you like patients to be realistic with their goals. So if people are watching this morning, they want to know more, best thing is to call and get a consultation, right? Come in, meet you.
Yes.
And individualize a plan for them.
Absolutely. I think good consultation, a good startup where I understand the need of each patient, what their expectations are. We establish very realistic goals. I think that's very important, to educate the patient, to guide the patient so they end up with a natural look. I think that's very important.
And I think that is a great approach. If you would like more information about Dr. Eyelid Surgery, all you have to do is head to our website, fox4morningblend.com. And speaking of those consultations, she's got a couple great offers she wants to extend to our viewers this morning. And that first one is receive a free consultation by appointment. There is the number to call, and again, to find out more about what she can do for you. And then there's also a special offer on Voluma, which she offers for $900 per syringe. That's normally $1,200. And then another special as well is for Juvederm Ultra Plus X, and that's going to be for $550 per syringe. And then also mention the morning blend, and you can receive 10 free units of Botox with the purchase of 20 units, which again, Botox very popular. So there is the number again to find out more information about all those offers. Yeah.
Love that.
Well, up next, smile, eat, and talk with confidence.
The dentist who can make it happen in 24 hours. Stick around.